No one else would have one, and you will have made it yourself, you know, with no help. You will have made it yourself. You can use, there's some smaller stuff, the 1/8 stuff. If you have a problem anywheres, on the 1/8 stuff, you can see I've used it on the dash. When I did the dash, like here, you can see on the dash, where I did all up and through there, all that 1/8 all across the dash, that stuff will work perfect there, right? It will, it will, it will. That's what I use that for. So there's different applications for different stuff. Basically, I'm going to use this one here for this. This is chrome. Like I will use this stuff right here, the one I'm using. Hope it's the same as what I got. Yep. All right. So what I've got here, this one here is, I did Drolene's truck with it. Oh, you can use it on the bumper. You can use it on your wheel arch. See how they've got it used on the wheel well arch there? And what that took is someone to take a little bit of time and bend that and get that memory going. So basically, that is what I'm doing. I'm getting the windows ready for Elvis to get them painted. I am going to chrome all the windows with this. I'm not going to send it away, get chromed. Not going to do that. I'm making this car from what I have, from what I can make. I'm going to chrome all my windows with this stuff. I think I showed you guys that before. That's going on there and go along there and bend right to the top, and I'm going to chrome the back windows, the top of the front doors. Wherever I need it, I will use it. And that's basically how I roll. We even have it in on our kitchen cupboards in the house. We have this stuff here, the 1/4-inch stuff I just showed you here, the small stuff. We wanted to make it look like a 50s diner look, and I ran a strip of that. Then I spaced it an inch, and then I ran another strip, then I spaced it another inch, and I ran another strip. And I did all the cupboards like that, so in our house it looks like a 50s diner, like we have chrome on our cupboards in our house. Basically what looks like up on the top of the wall there, under all the cool pictures that Greg Henderson had drew for us. You can see the chrome up there. So let's chrome this bumper. Alrighty. So I'm not going to use the 1/2 inch, I'm going to use the 3/4 inch. And the reason I'm going to use the 3/4 inch, and let's explain this now. The reason I'm going to use the 3/4 inch instead of the other stuff, I'm thinking that with the 3/4 inch, 3/4 inch, 3.5, 3/4 inch will work out to 3.5. I get nothing, wouldn't it? 3/4 inch, it'd be 1.5 inches. 1.5 inches is 3. Yeah. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to run right in the center. There we go. I'm going to run just like that. So basically the first one I'm going to run with the edge of the bumper. And there might be one that hangs over a little tiny bit, but you will not see it because it's on the bottom of the bumper. If you get run over by the car and you say, wow, your chrome's hanging down a little bit. Anyways, this is what I'm going to do. Let's do it. Let's make a chrome bumper.